Hello everyone, Simon Says Money is back. Today we'll be looking at the Nio stock. It's a pretty hot stock going on in circulation in today's stock trading world. Current price is $62.30, and let's go ahead and dive into what makes it so special, and let's look at all the charts and the data. So as we can see in Robinhood, about Nio, American depository shares, electric vehicles, driving innovation, next generation technologies. They are located in China, founded in November of 2014. So they've been in business for 6 years, and we can see in 5 years, not much data here. 1 year, the past year, just the past year alone, Nio was at around less than $3, almost under $2. So it was literally a penny stock. It went from $2 now to $62.30, up 1,581%. So that's $58.60. 3 months. The past 3 months is up 184%. Past weeks, it's been up 19.9%. And yesterday, it was up 6.42% with a negative 0.64% after hours. So we can see that its all-time high was 65.11. What's cool about Nio is you can replace the battery in the car. So you can upgrade your battery, you can change it out when you need it. When you need to add more battery, you can go to one of the stations they have set up. There's not much in China right now, but they're trying to get more. But when you go to the station, they change out the battery. It takes around or maybe less than 5 minutes, and then you're all set to go. So it's just a little station, and it's pretty fast to charge up. And this past weekend, Nio Day was revealed, and there was a ET7 sedan, solid state battery technology. So the first sale will be the first quarter of 2022, so that will be in 2 years. We can also look at historically, last Nio Day the market went up, so it was around here. Zoom in to that period. Last Nio Day, January 2020, here's a spike up. So we knew that Nio Day was going to be good for this year. Last year came out with the ET6, now it's the ET7. And for those of you that got in before Nio Day, was a very smart move. So up pretty good from last week's high. And also based on the chart, we can see that a little technical analysis, this line of resistance that Nio is trying to break, and a little channel forming here. You can see once it crosses a line, it becomes a support, holding its moving averages, touch, support, and then support from this 50-day moving average right here. Then it popped up, and now there's just so much momentum. I might get in today, January 12th, 2021, but not too much shares. I think I will wait for a pullback, maybe to the support, around the support, so in the high 50s area, to acquire more shares of Nio. Usually if there's a pop-up from a technical standpoint, it usually pulls back to a support line, a moving average, so it just can't go up forever or just consolidate sideways. Nio was also compared to Tesla by CNBC 4 days ago, 510,000 views. In CNBC International 4 days ago, and Wall Street Journal 414,000 views 6 days ago. We all know that Tesla, back in the old days, it wasn't making profit, it was losing money, but eventually now we know what's up with Tesla. It's up huge. It takes years to build these technologies, especially with the EV space, electric vehicle. Now people are starting to realize that gas are maybe not the most useful types of vehicle, and people are getting more interested in getting electric vehicles, the Tesla, BMW, the General Motors Hummer that came out, and also Nio. Jim Cramer from CNBC said Nio is the next Tesla. So in the long run, it's very interesting for me. Nio is building this powerful replaceable battery that you can buy a car without the battery and choose what kind of batteries you want with it. So there's a little customization there. Tesla did at one point have that replaceable battery, but decided not to go that route. But I definitely want electrical vehicle stocks in my portfolio. So definitely getting Tesla and Nio stock. If we look at Investingcom, today it was up 6.42%. For the income statement, total revenue They're decreasing just a little bit, still in the negative, so they're losing money. For the balance sheet, it was negative in December of 2019, and 1 year later they turned positive, so that's a good sign. With regards to the assets and liabilities, and there's no data for cash flow statement. Nio also did beat earnings the past 3 quarters, actual and estimate, but they're still in the negative, which is fine. Tesla was in the negative. I remember around like 2014, 2015, still a negative revenue. People were talking the stock will never go up, and some people would say, like Kathy Wood from ARK Investment, the stock is going to go to $4,000 in the next few years. So Nio is still a developing company. Just from 1 year, it has grown 1,581%. Their earnings are coming out in February, so next month. Be on the lookout for that. With regard to the battery, their cost, and any contract that they recently signed. So that's my thought on Nio. I will be putting this into my retirement account. I will have a section for electric vehicle, because electric vehicle, I think, in my opinion, is the future, and I think one day we will have almost all electric vehicle on the road. So there's a lot of potential in this area, especially Nio and Tesla stocks. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this a like and subscribe if you found any of this information useful. Please comment below if you have any thoughts on Nio. Are you buying shares? Are you selling shares? If you have any, what are your long-term positions for Nio? Any short-term positions? And preparation for the Nio earnings next month? Let me know in the comments. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.